For as much as the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were up yesterday, the underlying data was weak, and you're telling me we rally strongly the day before we get CPI data at 8:30 in the morning this morning? It's just wild. Traditionally, at least recent past here, before CPI data has come up, the stock market has been very flat. And we rally yesterday. It's bizarro world. This is not investment advice. Read the disclosures. I did completely hedge my short positions yesterday morning when I started to see the markets come up even further than the open. I just said, okay, no reason to take any more risk. Hedge those positions. So then I didn't care what was going on. And I don't really care of the emotional reaction of the herd to CPI numbers this morning again at 8:30 because I'm net zero essentially right now. And depending on what happens, and believe me, I don't know what's going to happen. I wish I did. But, I can either take off the hedge or let the hedge run. Either way, I will be, no matter what I do, I will be informing all of my inner circle members of exactly what I'm doing. Just maybe be a little bit careful sometimes, not every time, but sometimes the initial reaction to these numbers is not the ultimate reaction. It's kind of like the Fed speak, right? When they come out, if the initial reaction is up, sometimes by the end of the day, the market is down. So just be a little bit careful and maybe try not to make moves too fast right at 9:30 Eastern time when the market's open, if it's moving in one direction or another. And again, I can't tell the future, but it's just something I am sharing with you. I'm John Crocker. I own Crocker Capital. I do this every single day for a living. This is not investment advice. Happy Tuesday.